Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless antenna cables from the wireless module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Carefully disconnect the wireless antenna cables from the wireless module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless module to the system board and allow it to raise to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Align the notch in the wireless module with the key in the wireless module slot on the system board. Gently insert the wireless module into its slot on the system board. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless module to the system board. Reconnect the wireless antenna cables to the wireless module. Caution: use care when connecting the wireless antenna cables to the wireless module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.